Hi everyone, I'm Nicole and today I'm going to be reviewing the new 70-200 2.8 by Sigma. Let's check it out. It's finally here. Sigma has been teasing us with this lens for forever now. I personally think it's one of the best lenses Sigma has put out in quite some time. I've had it for the past 2 days. I took a model out yesterday. It is insanely sharp. Today I'm just getting some city shots. I will say it is a little heavy, it's coming in at 3 pounds. But for a telephoto lens, it does have an internal zoom, which is super helpful. I prefer an internal zoom as opposed to an external because external zooms can get a little wonky at times. It's already a pretty large lens. It's a super sleek design, metal hardware, and it is weatherproof. It is a 77mm filter at the front. Not only does it have a manual ring, but it also has a aperture ring. In video, folks, you can click the aperture ring off so it can be silent when shooting. It does have a custom button switch. The button controls on this are very nice. I have found with other lenses, you don't get a lot of button control. Also comes with a built-in tripod head. All right, enough of me talking, let's go take some photos. And that wraps up the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you click on our website and pre-order yours today. I know you want it. I'm linking it here, right here, right here, right here. I'm linking it everywhere. See you guys next time.